This is the part number 5 to continue and complete this amigurumi inside from inside out too. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description below you can find the link. But if you are ready, let's continue making the arms. For the arms, we will start using tangerine color yarn, and on round 1 we will make a magic ring with 8 single crochet. One single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Close the magic ring. Put some mark if you think that is necessary. We will work in a spiral, and on rounds 2 and 3 we will make 8 single crochet in each round. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same on round 3, and you need to accommodate the piece. On round 4 we will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 1 decrease. Then repeat the same one more time and you will finish this round with 6 stitches. From round 5 to 8 we will make 6 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same until round 8. And in the last single crochet on round 8 we will change to white color yarn. Please don't cut the tangerine color yarn because we will use it again. Now we will make something like we already made on the legs. And on round 9 we will make 6 triple increase taking the front loops only. 1 single crochet, 2, and 3 single crochet in the same loop, only on the front loops. In the next loop, 3 single crochet more and will be the second triple increase, and you need 6. You will finish this round with 18 stitches. This is the last triple increase. 1, 2, and 3. Put some mark, and on round 10 and 11 we will make 18 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same on round 11. On round 12 we will make 18 single crochet, but this time the single crochet reverse. 1 single crochet reverse, 2, and continue doing single crochet reverse until finish this round. If you doesn't know how to make the single crochet reverse, in the description of this video I will share with you some tutorial that we already have on our channel in Spanish, but you can put the subtitles. Then on round 13, 18 single crochet taking normally. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 14 we will repeat 6 times, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet and now 1 decrease. Repeat exactly the same all around and you will finish this round with 12 stitches. And in the last decrease we will change to tangerine color yarn. And doesn't cut the white color yarn because we will continue using. On On round 15, 12 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. Just the back loop. 1 slip stitch, 2, and continue doing slip stitch, just taking the back loop until finish this round. On round 16, 12 single crochet, taking the back loops again. Remember, I prefer take both the tangerine and the white one color yarn, but you can take just the tangerine color yarn and will be okay. However you prefer. 1 single crochet, 2, and continue doing single crochet, taking the back loops only until finish this round. On round 17, 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and in the last single crochet on this round we will change to white color yarn. On round 18, 12 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. 1, 2, and continue doing slip stitch until finish this round. On round 19, 12 single crochet, taking the back loops again. 1 single crochet, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 20, we will repeat 3 times 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 1 decrease. Then repeat the same 2 times more, and you will finish this round with 9 stitches. And on the last decrease, we will change to tangerine color yarn. On round 21, 9 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. Every time I prefer change the color like this. 2, and continue doing slip stitch until finish this round. On round 22, 9 single crochet, taking the back loops only. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 23, 9 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish the round, and on the last single crochet we will change to white color yarn. And you can cut the tangerine color yarn. On round 24, 9 slip stitch, taking the back loops only again. 1 slip stitch, the second one, and continue doing a slip stitch, taking the back loops only until finish this round. On round 25, 9 single crochet, taking the back loops only again. 1 single crochet, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 26, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times. 1 single crochet, now 1 decrease. You will finish this round with 6 stitches. And on round 27 and the last round, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. We already finished this piece. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for make the union later with the body. Take off the mark. And now we will put the wire. Remember, you can use the wire that you prefer, but I'm using this one that is for flowers. Then make this and insert like this on the arms. And after that, you can accommodate the arms. We don't need the stuffing for the arms. I don't put nothing, just the wire. Make this and voila! Now I will show you how to make the fingers. All the fingers is exactly the same pattern for both arms. Then pay close attention. We will start between round 3 and 4 from the beginning. You can start in whatever size that you prefer. Starting with this finger, 1, 2, 3, and 4, between 3 and 4 on one side, we will start taking the tangerine yarn, taking a loop, and 3 chains, just 3 because it's the small finger. One, 2, and 3. And starting in the second one, on the back, on the loop that is on the back, we will make 2 slip stitch. 1 and 2 in the first chain that we made. Take the loop on the back, and that's it. Keep 1 point, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. And now we need 4 fingers more, but they are different. For each one, we will start now with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And starting in the second one, we will start to do 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 point and 1 slip stitch, and you will repeat exactly the same 3 times more. 4 chains, 3 slip stitch starting on the second chain from the hook, and later skip 1 point and 1 slip stitch. And remember, you need 2 equal arms. I'm already made both exactly with the same pattern, and now we will make the union with the body. Then pay close attention and you can see how to make this union. we already finished inside it. You can articulate now. You can move all the body, the arms, the legs, everything. I hope and you like this pattern. I'm really love it. It's so funny. Then if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please ask me on the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel and you really like our videos, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi. Bye bye.